In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Lipi Scripting on GoCharting. We'll walk through where to find the scripting tools, how to create, save, and apply your code, and a few tips to make the process smoother. Start by heading to the GoCharting website. From the homepage, open the Products menu at the top. In the list that appears, choose Advanced Technical Analysis, Order Flow Charting. This opens the trading terminal where you'll do your scripting and see results directly on a live chart. Inside the terminal, look for the Scripts option and open it. Then go to My Scripts. This area shows a window with your existing indicators and scripts. If you've used Lipi Scripting before, you'll see your saved work. If not, this is where new scripts will appear once you create them. It's a handy hub for managing everything you build. From here, you can write code in the editor. Lipi Scripting is designed for creating custom indicators and strategies, so think in terms of inputs, calculations, and outputs. Define the parameters you want to tweak, compute your signals, and plot them on the chart. The editor supports helpful features like syntax highlighting, which makes it easier to spot mistakes. Keep your logic simple at first, then build up as you test. If you want to start something fresh, click New to add a new script. Give it a clear name and a short description so you can recognize it later. Establish a basic template right away. Include your inputs, any core calculations, and at least one plot so you have a working baseline before you iterate. When you're ready to preserve your progress, click Save. Save early and often, especially as you try different ideas. Consider adding brief notes in your code to explain what each section does. That will make updates and debugging faster down the line. To see your work on the chart, click Apply. This compiles the script and overlays it on the active symbol and time frame. If nothing shows up, double-check for typos or errors in the editor and confirm that your plot statements are active. Sometimes switching timeframes or refreshing the chart helps the view update. If you want help while you code, click ChatGPT. This built-in assistant can suggest syntax, create starting templates, or explain errors. Be specific about what you want. Describe the indicator logic or the condition you're trying to detect to get more accurate guidance. Finally, when your script is ready to share, click Publish. Add a clear title and description so others understand what it does. Publishing makes it easy to revisit, get feedback, and keep your tools organized. That's it. Now you know how to use Lipi Scripting on GoCharting from start to finish.